I came a long way.
What's going on YouTube? Esco Kiccks here, and we are here with a Jordan 11 restoration video. And today we are going to be icing the soles of the Jordan 11 7210s, size 6.5. So if you want these, hit me up on Instagram. You can cop them; they still available. But today we're gonna be icing these soles. So before we get into this video, make sure you like this video, you comment on this video, how you feeling, what videos you want to see, how your day was, how it's going, whatever you want to comment. And make sure you share this video with your close friends, your family, and whoever else you know. So right now I'm just inspecting the shoe to see all the flaws on the shoe. I didn't really see a lot of flaws on the shoe. The shoe actually came in good condition. The only main thing was the yellowing on the sole. So I was pretty happy with that. And I want you to comment down below how much you think I paid for these sneakers. I want you to comment down below right now how much you think I paid for these sneakers. And if you guess the right amount, you don't get nothing. You just got the number right. Congratulations. So now we about to start cleaning the shoe, and I chose the Angela shoe cleaner. This is my first time actually using this cleaner, and it's a good cleaner. I would recommend it. It's very simple. You just get you some hot water and pour 2 capfuls or however many you want to use. But it's very quick. It gets the job done, and it gets your shoes very clean. As far as my brushes, I just used like a medium hard brush. It was just the brush wasn't too hard, but it wasn't too soft. It was like a very good brush. I got those brushes off of Amazon probably for like $10. It came with like 4 different brushes, suede brush, a sulfur brush, and for leather, I believe. It was a few different brushes, but it was a good brush kit off of Amazon. You can find everything on Amazon for the low. Just in case if you starting to become a reseller or you just clean sneakers or whatever you do, Amazon is the place to go to if you want to start something and not have to spend a lot of money, to be honest. Alright, so now we on to the icing of the soles, and once again we have the Angelus product. Angelus, I'm not gonna lie, y'all gonna have to sponsor me because I'm giving y'all free promo right now. For everybody who wants to start cleaning shoes or you want to become a reseller, invest in yourself as much as you can, because the more equipment you have, the easier your job will be. Or whatever sneakers you choose to resell, having equipment to restore your sneakers to then sell your sneakers for a higher value is very crucial. And I'm fiending to tell y'all right now how much I paid for the sneakers, but I'ma still wait until y'all see the after of what the icing did on the sneaker. So I'ma just hold back, and I'm not gonna tell y'all how much I paid yet, because I really got these sneakers for a steal. And at first I thought they were fake, but then I examined them some more, did some more research, and they actually weren't fake. And I got a crazy steal on my first pair of sneakers that I bought as being a part of a reseller. The rookie move I could tell y'all right here is to put the plastic in 2 different pieces because it creates an air bubble where the checkerboard pattern is on the bottom of the sole. It creates like a little steam pocket, and you don't want to create that because that causes like the sole and the glue to rise and all that crazy stuff. So just separate the plastic into 2 different pieces so you could avoid any sole rising. As you can see here, I have a homemade icebox because I was not going to buy an icebox, so I created one. And if you want to see a video on that, comment that down below and make sure you like this video to let me know that you want to see how I made the icebox. So they stayed in there for about 3 hours or 2.5 hours each session. After 4 long sessions, this is how the sneakers turned out. And if you guessed that the sneakers were $40, you were correct, because I only paid $40 for these sneakers. Size 6.5, Jordan 11, 72 10s. If that's not a steal, I don't know what is. But also, now that you're at the end of the video, I just have to announce the giveaway pair of sneakers. I'm going to be giving away the Hyper Royal ones, size 10.5. You can either keep them or you can either sell them for a profit. I don't know, you can do whatever you want to do. But make sure this channel gets to 1,000 subscribers and I will be picking a random person and they will be winning the Hyper Royal ones. I hope you enjoyed this video.
I never lost
Peace.
with the count like Jordan. Had to run off with the pack when I caught it. You see the picture, I see the portrait. You were informing, you told us important.